Myself Sunil Ramprasad, this is next level blogger. So they started interacting. This is connecting to how basically Reliance Group told that basically when the doctor basically is going to become connect to 25th number age basically, he is going to connect to this all habits basically. He is going to eat non-veg items. He is going to eat these all things basically. He is going to connect to these all habits. This all basically he has dumped basically in the human soul's creation itself basically. So same thing basically, if we will take the 5 crore human souls data basically, that will be more secure basically. Because it's a USA president, so you have to think up to this level basically. So 1% of the yes basically. So we collected the 5 lakh human souls data itself. Like Reliance Group created 5 lakh human souls. Same way basically IBM Group created few human basically. Microsoft also created few humans. So who basically are powerful to creation of human souls? That data basically we have collected. They have dumped the data basically. They are going to eat this whole thing basically when their age basically is going to connect to this. Up to this level basically data we have collected. What thinking basically they are going to do. Then person to the yes basically. These all things basically you have to do the connect into the analysis basically. This type of thing basically nobody has done basically in this world basically. But this type of thing utilities basically are with the satellite group basically. Because before entering to the earth planet basically, they dumps basically the entire people basically who are going to interact with him or her basically into their souls data because they also have human souls and they have the full access of. So assume that basically 5 lakh people or 6 lakh people basically are going to interact with this space satellite person basically. So they basically dumped the 5 lakh people and his souls basically and started doing the process basically. So which all are going to people are going to interact with him or her basically. And what would be the interaction, this whole thing basically they collect basically. So next you see.